Hi everybody, I am Dinesh Kumar Dansena and today we will learn about program. What is a program? Actually, program is a group of commands to perform a special task. For example, okay, there may be a group of command 1, 2, 3 up to n commands which can result to perform a task, a special task. That group of commands is given to a computer to perform a task. For example, in pen program, we give a lot of commands to perform tasks related to for freehand drawing, freehand color drawing, and for example in VLC media player we give a lot of command, okay, thousands of command to perform playing videos with audio. And MP3 player we perform we give a lot of commands to it, means computer, to play audio songs, okay. And for example Adobe Acrobat Reader, that is Adobe PDF Reader, it is a program to read PDF files, to show PDF files, so we human can read it, okay. So that is special. Now I think you have understand the meaning of special task. Every software has some special task. For example, Paint has the task for freehand drawing. VLC media player has the task to play video with audio, okay. Let us assume that this is a robot, okay, like human, okay. It has two hands, okay, and it has two legs. It has two hands and two legs to perform physical operation, okay. And it has two sensors as eye, it has speaker, and it has two mic, okay. As we know that our computer, okay, that has that can't perform physical operations, as it doesn't have any physical parts, but to perform physical parts we can connect some physical device like printer. So as we connect printer to computer, we can print something on a physical paper. So to perform physical work, we may connect some physical part, okay. And this is a robot which is a computer, okay. There is a CPU inside it, okay. So and it has some parts to perform physical operation like hands and legs, okay. For example, we want to make a cup of tea with the help of this robot, okay. So let us assume that this robot knows English language, so our computer language will be English, so we will give commands in English. For example, to make a simple black tea, 1 cup of black tea, we will give these commands, as it doesn't know how to make tea, okay. So we will give it some commands, okay. We will say that first of all, the first command will be take an utensil to make tea. Then we will pour 1 cup of water. The second command will be pour 1 cup water in the utensil. Then add 1 teaspoon sugar. The third command will be, okay, add 1 teaspoon sugar in it. Then fourth command will be add half teaspoon tea powder in it, okay. We will saying these commands to the robot so it can perform it, okay. Then fifth operation will be, command will be turn on the gas or stove. Then sixth command will be put the utensil on the stove. Then Then we will say that the seventh command will be boil it for 2 minutes. Then we will say that turn off the oven, it is off. Okay. So by following these 8 commands, we can prepare a cup of tea with the help of robot. So these group of commands, that group of 8 commands, will call program. So program is a group of commands which is given to a computer. Usually these group of commands are written in a file. Okay, you know about file, as you know computer, you may know about files. For example, for songs, for audio files, there is mp3 files, .mp3 files. Okay, and its full form is MPEG 3. Okay, then for video files, our extension is .mp4 files, it's MPEG 4. Okay, and for image files, the extension of file is JPG, JPEG. Okay, its full form is JPEG. And for simple text file, extension is .txt. Okay, in Java language, we write some codes, a group of commands. Okay, a group of commands, and this group of command is to perform some special task, and this group of command will be called program. So using Java language, okay, not using English language. Okay, Java is very, uses very small English. Okay, so we need very basic knowledge of English. So okay, actually grammar of English is much more complex and it's large. Okay, it has very less grammar and it has very less words. Okay, means I am saying about Java. So we will write some group of commands in Java, and this this will called program in Java, and we will save it a file with extension .java. For example, the file name may be pro1. Okay, then pro1.java will be a program which has groups of command to perform a special task. That group of commands, that commands are written in Java language. Okay, so now we know that what is a program. Now we have to know what is the software. Okay, actually programs are softwares. Actually every program is software. Okay, but usually in a practical situation, in a real life, of programs that made for real life purpose, like paint for program for paint software, it will contain thousands of lines. I think in paint program there may be around 100,000 lines of command will be there. Okay, so we can hold 100,000 when 1 lakh commands in a single file, but it will be much more complex. We have to programmers have to read these programs, and they have to modify it with time. So it will be much more complex. So to make it simple, this file, programs is divided into more than one part. Okay, so for example, okay, this paint program is divided into 100 programs. Okay, so this is program number 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this way we divided 1 lakh line command into around 1000 line commands. Okay, that will be much easy to handle. Okay, much easy to read, much easy to modify. Okay, much easy to update some new things. Okay, but in these programs, there are a group of commands, they are they are related to same program, so there is a main program in it. Okay, and others are means supporting programs. Okay, other 99 are supporting, means in a software there is only one main program and others are supporting programs, and this main program use all these other supporting programs. So in this main program, okay, it will be using program number 2, it will be using program number 4, and it will be using all other supporting programs. Okay, so in this way we will perform our task. So our paint program is now divided into 100 files. Yeah, actually I am not saying that it is always divided into 100 subprograms. It is up to you, it is up to programmer. Okay, according to our demand we divide into many parts, and it is up to our requirement, it is up to our desire. Okay, so in a real life, okay, programs are very big. Okay, so they are divided into many sub programs, and these groups of command are called software. So software is nothing, it is a group of programs. Okay, even a single program also called software. Okay, okay, so we have learned that what is a program and what is a software, and that's all for today. Thank you, have a nice day. Bye.